So I am attendee. I can't share screen.
Yes, someone has to share the screen. We're just waiting for them to share the screen. Okay, let's wait.
So my Scratch is open.
Okay.
So I can't share my screen.
Sir,
It
can I share the screen?
is disable attendee.
Sir, it's Krishna. Yes, sir.
Okay, please
Can
try
we
again.
do the share a screen?
Okay, one by one we will all
Yes.
share the screen. Okay, so Krish, you can start, or who's starting? Yes, Krish. Thank you. Okay, so let's delete the cat. Okay, so today what we are going to do, we will have a magician. Okay, that magician will do abracadabra. Then that magician is going to convert a lady or a boy into a frog. Okay, with me?
Yes.
All right.
Sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
okay, so we'll start it. So very first thing, Krish, let's go and select. Do we have a sprite by name magician or not? Let's check.
You can search it.
Okay.
We have a wizard and wait.
Okay, so just select whichever you want as such. Okay.
Okay.
And then we are going to, so whom do you want to convert to a frog, a girl or a boy?
Sir,
Krish,
anyone.
so your choice. You can go and select. If someone wants to convert someone else, they can do that also. It's your choice. But this is also a magician kind of thing, right?
Yep, sir.
You can select something else.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Go on people now.
Okay.
People.
This one?
Whichever
Devin,
you like.
take Devin, I think.
Sir, should we take 2 people?
It's up to you, like how many you want. Okay. So let's start with one and then we can say, okay. Okay, someone joined just now. Hello, Rakshita. Can you hear me, Rakshita?
Sir, I'm Anand.
Sir.
Okay, Anand. Hello, Anand.
Hi, so by mistake, my sister's name came.
Okay. So we
Sir,
are,
how do you get the wizard, sir?
you have to search for it. You have to go to Sprite and search for it. Krish, can you show like how you got there?
Rakshita, join Anya.
So I have to press the sprite.
Yes, please ask me.
So I have to press the sprite button.
Yes. Spread the Sprite button. Then there is a magnifying glass over there, right? Look up.
Yes, sir.
It's
Yes,
there.
sir. I got it.
Okay. Krish, we have to reduce the size of the people, right? It's too big. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
so can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
So we have to put a wizard.
Yeah. Someone had a question?
So
Yes.
we have to put the sprite of a wizard.
Yes, we have to put the sprite of a wizard.
So can I share my screen?
Let Krish do it, then I'll come to you. Sorry.
Sir, can you tell me what to do?
You are able to see Krish' screen or not? So whatever he
Sir?
has done, we have to do the
Yes,
same
sir.
thing.
Sir?
Okay.
1 minute. The screen is small.
Sir, I
Yes,
am
sir.
typing wizard, but it's not coming.
Okay. Krish, can you stop sharing? Let Dhruv share it.
So just a second.
So what is the second sprite?
Good morning, sir.
Okay.
So have we coded yet?
Not yet. We're just selecting the sprite. We're just making the story as of now.
Okay, so we need to take a wizard, right?
Yeah, we are making a magician story. A magician is going to cast his spell and is going to convert a person into a frog.
Okay, so we can choose any person, right?
Yes, whatever you want. Okay, Dhruv, can you share your screen and show me?
Yes, sir.
Sir, after the class, I have actually made some things. So if you could.
Sir, there's a problem, sir. I'll leave and I'll join again.
Okay, I'll wait.
Good morning, sir.
Hello, Angad. Hello, Ian.
Sir, I'm sorry I'm late. There's trouble joining WhatsApp.
No problem, Angad. You can follow as such what others are doing, okay?
Sir,
Yes, Sagarika.
instead of a person, I took an elf.
All right. Ian, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ian. So you have also opened up.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hi, Ian.
Can you share your screen, Ian? Let's start with your thing now.
बोलो कि स्क्रीन नहीं आ रहा सर कुछ इशू आ रहा है करो तो
Sir, there was a...
can you share the link again because it's showing creating project only.
Creating project. That means there's an internet issue as such. So it will take some time to come up.
Okay, just give me better internet. आपका better है ना?
Sir, now I can share it, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
वाला अच्छा है ही नहीं क्योंकि मेरा
Sir, can you see it?
Yes, I can see it.
I
So
typed the wizard and it's not coming.
then you have to press.
wants to
It
ask
came
you
right.
something.
Yeah. So let's type wizard. WIZ. A.
Yes, sir.
There.
It's come.
Okay. Very good.
ठीक है?
Right. Now you have to delete that cat. Do you want to convert cat into a frog or some other person into a
I'll
frog?
convert the cat into a frog.
Okay. All right. So now we will continue to code for the wizard. Okay. So when you have to code for the
So
wizard.
1 minute. So
Okay.
just give me 1 minute.
Okay.
अब सर से पूछो क्या करना है?
Okay.
Or should I stop sharing my screen?
No, you can continue. So go to looks. Go to looks. Go to looks.
Sir?
Yeah. Just drag and drop this block, the first block.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah. No, just drag and drop over here. Don't over here where I just marked it. Now, can you type over here? My name is whatever name you want to give to this wizard. Just type over there. Sorry if you are able to follow.
Yeah.
So, okay. Dhruv, just type in my name is. So
Yes, sir.
do you have any a name for this magician?
I am a great magician.
Okay, let's write down that.
We can do the true name as and the witch of the world.
Which of the world? Okay. But which
I say
are okay? Vian, can you type or not?
I can. Yes, sir, I can.
Okay. Let's type. Rakshita, you have written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How about you, Jan? Jan, can you type?
My wizard's name is Graphor.
What are the spelling of that? Do you know the spelling?
Grafor.
Graphor. Okay. All right.
Sir, my wizard's name is my name.
Your own name. Okay. So just give a name over there, Dora. Okay. Very good. Ian, are you able to do it or not? Arab, you have written that?
Yes, sir. Sir, my name is Simon the Great.
Very good. Okay. Then again, drag and drop the block again. Second time. This one. After that, just say, I will make you into a frog, or I will convert you. What do you want to say, Rakshita?
Sir, instead of frog, can we use something else?
What is that you want to make?
Sir, anything except for a frog, like
Okay,
unicorn
but
or something.
You can make it. If there is a sprite by name by unicorn, then
Yes,
you can make
sir,
it a
it's
unicorn also. All right. Okay, Dhruv. Let's
So
type.
what do we have to type the second time?
I will convert you.
Sir, my
Or I
wizard's
will
name
make
is
you.
Midas.
Okay.
It is.
I will make you I will
Make you
Say dash for same block. Same block. Blocks.
Krish, you have done?
Same block.
done.
I will make you a.
Yes, sir. Done.
What do you want to convert this to?
I will make you a cat.
Dhruv? Dhruv, what do you want to convert it to?
Sir, a dog.
Dog. Okay, let's write dog.
Typing काम करो, तुम selecting काम.
Okay, and then we will have one more block after this, and then we'll have an evil laugh. Okay, so drag and drop this again and say ha 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 ha. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so just type over here ha 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 ha.
So again the same block.
Yes, again the same block.
Make you a dog.
Okay, now let me go to Araf's screen. Dhruv, if you can stop sharing. Araf, can you share?
Yes, sir. 2 minutes. I'm just doing the last.
Till then can I share?
Okay,
should I
who
press?
wants-
Selecting काम करो, typing काम.
Yes. So now you can stop sharing, Dhruv. Let me go to someone else's screen.
So can I share?
Yes, please go
Also,
ahead.
I want to share.
Let Anant share it, okay?
Sir, I told you first I want to share.
I'll come to you. I come to you, okay? Come to you.
Everyone, sir lives in my home.
Okay.
Okay, Anant, please share.
1 minute, it's not happening. I'll
Oh.
try again.
Okay.
Yes.
Save me, my dog.
Okay, then what we will do.
Danny.
So when this particular magician is saying correct, right? We will make it glide to right hand side and then come back. Okay, so go to motion.
Okay.
Okay, go to motion, Then you have something called as glide 1 second, right?
To get to the
Yes.
Position.
Or yeah, no, not to the random position, the one below that. Say glide
This
1
one.
second. Yes, just put it after that. Glide 1 second to x should be minus 150. Let's make it minus 150. And now check how it looks like. Just click on that and see how it looks like.
Glide 1 second motions.
Did it move or not? It moves something, right? Okay.
But it moves backwards.
Yeah. So then we will make it move forward also. So again, drag and drop glide block.
Yes.
Make it minus 130. X should be minus 130. And now test.
It moves
Goes very slow.
Okay. Then what we will do between these glides, right? Now let's go to costume. Go to costume. You have a costume tab, right? Click on the costume tab.
Yes.
Okay, so you have 3 costumes, right? So we'll change costumes. So now go back to code. Let's go back to code.
Go. Yes.
Go to looks.
Looks.
There is a block by name next costume. Just drag and drop next
Can
costume.
you just show the this thing? The look. You go to the costumes, sir.
Yes, I'll come to your screen. Okay, so make sure this next costume is before the glide block.
Before the glide.
Yeah, before the first glide block. Then after the first glide block.
The first.
And then after that also. And now let's test your code. Okay, now let's see what your code looks like.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay, all right.
Excuse
So,
me.
Okay.
all right. So now let me, if you can stop sharing, let me go to Krish. You have shared your screen.
Excuse me, sir. After
Guys, stop sharing.
So can I share now?
After Krish, you can share. Sorry.
Yes, sir, I'm just sharing.
Vihan, just give me let Krish to do it and just see what he has done. Okay.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, you have to put one more next costume after the last glide block.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just show me. Just click it. Say, my name is Harry Potter. I'll make you a frog. Very good. Ha ha ha. Next costume, very nice. Very good. Now let me go to Arav screen. Okay, Arav, please share.
Yes, sir.
sir. Excuse me,
Or I will just share my screen in a second.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes, Akshita.
sir, during this week I've done 2 practice things. So after the class, if you can see them.
I'll do that. Sure, definitely. Okay. And you can also show it to others what all practice you have done. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Very good, Arav.
Plate.
My name is Midas. I will make you. Can you play it again?
My name is Mida.
Okay, very nice. Very good. Okay. All right. Now let me go to Sorry screen. Sorry, please show me.
One sec.
Vihan, I will come to your screen next. Okay, Vihan.
Coming.
After this, it is your screen, Vihan. Ian, you also should be ready.
Rudy.
I don't know what to do, sir.
So starting.
Okay, my name is Greater. Okay, please show me.
Starting.
I'll make you a frog. Haha. Okay. All right. Sorry, do one thing. After the last glide block, put a next costume.
After the. Yes, sir.
Okay. One more. Put one more next costume.
Hmm.
Okay. So now let me go to Vihan screen. Vihan, please share.
1 second. I'm stopping to share.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Angad.
I'm not doing none of it. Everyone else is doing it.
That's not.
Okay, but you can see what others are doing and then you can practice later.
Sir,
Okay, Vihan. My name is Harry. Can you type Vihan or not?
I can, sir.
You cannot. Okay, then we will only make use of one block. Okay, so this second block you can remove. Let's
Sir?
remove the second block.
Sir,
Yes,
he can
Sagar.
type.
No, but he's typing slow, right? So that's right. We'll only have one block. Okay, and then what we will do, can you add a next costume over here? Go to looks and add a new next costume. Go to looks. Very good. Okay, and then go to motion. Go to motion.
There's motion, sir.
Motion is over here. And do glide. Add glide over here. Very good.
Krishna wants to ask you something.
Yes, let me finish with him.
Okay, sir.
Then we will go to next costume. Go to looks again. Let's go to next costume. Put it below that. Very good. Now we'll again go to motion.
So can I share after her?
Yeah, sure. Put a glide also over here. And make this number as -130.
Sir, it's already written minus
No, but you have to change it to 130.
I also need to share, sir, because I didn't hear
Okay.
what you said.
But you are doing what others are doing or not? Are you able to do it? What others are doing? Okay. -130. Okay. Now let's play your thing. Yes. So now just click over here and let's see how it looks like. Hi, my name is Harry. Okay. Very good. Very nice. Okay. Now let me go to Rakshita's screen.
Yes.
Sir, should I share my screen?
Rakshita has to share.
Can you see?
Not yet.
So now?
Yes, I can. Very nice. My name is. Okay, just show me everything.
Yes, sir.
Just
Just
run
let
it.
me change the size of this wizard. It's too huge.
It's very tiny. Puppy back. And it can be better when it's 100.
Okay, let's check it out. My name is Luke. Very good. I'm going to enter unicorn. Okay, there is an evil laugh. Very good. Very nice. Okay. So next one is Ian. Ian, can you share your screen?
Sir, can you share my screen next?
You have made something, Angad?
No, ma'am. Sir, but I'm gonna make one right now.
Then please make it and then you can share your screen. Yes, Ian, can you share? Yes, Ian.
I am doing my.
Okay. So do you have anything to share right now, Ian?
I have do some, but I can share.
Can you show me? Okay. Oh, very good. Okay, so now let's make it better. Okay. So first is my name is Kunal. Very good. Can you make sure this is connected to this one?
Okay, sir.
Very good. Then make this over here. Very good. Then put this over here. Very good. And put this over here. Very good. And then again put a next costume over here. Okay. Okay, very. Now just run your code again. Not just click on the topmost block. My name is Shana. I'll make you a rabbit.
Only way I can make it is
Very good. Very good.
share my screen first, and I'll show you my own story. The way I make my own stories.
Okay, Angad, I'll come to you also later. All right. The next one is.
Only I can go to Scratch.
Can you share?
Yes, sir, I can.
I have to do something.
Papa?
The only way to share.
Yes, sir.
Okay, my name is now.
I go to
Okay.
costumes and then.
Wait, my man.
No, so costume, we were just looking over it. Let's go back to the code. Costume, we went to count how many costumes are there. There are 3 costumes, right? So that's why we will now go to looks. Go to looks. Go to looks. And then drag and drop next costume. Place it one above it. Then second one after the first glide block. And then the third one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. We are good. Arav, you have done this?
Should I press? Yes, sir.
Yes, please show me once. Then we will proceed with the next code. Everyone has done this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let me go to Krish screen again. Thank you.
Why you don't want to see my screen?
But you have done the same thing, right?
Okay. Yes, sir.
So now we will do coding for the next one, okay? So Krish, can you share?
Sir, you are able to see my screen?
How is no one here?
Yes, I can see it. Okay. Now let's select the sprite, the next sprite that you have, and we'll do coding for it, okay? So what we have to do when a magician is going to cast a spell on this particular sprite, okay? We will reduce the size of this particular sprite, okay? So that it goes down, 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 okay? You with me?
Yes, sir. So
Okay,
how
so
many, what size we have to put?
yes, I'll tell you that, okay? So everyone, okay, so now we are going to do coding for the next sprite. We are going to reduce the size of this particular sprite, okay? It will go down, okay? The size will become less.
Sir,
Correct, tell me.
sir,
Yes.
next can I share my screen, sir?
Okay, after this, okay? So very first thing would be, let's go to looks again. Go to looks.
Okay, sir.
There would be something called as, go to looks. There is something known as set size. Do you have set size to 100%?
Set size. Yes, sir. Set size
Very
to
good.
100%.
Okay.
Abby.
Then there would be a block by name show. Then drag and drop show block.
Below set size.
Yes, below set size.
Okay.
Okay.
ऊपर नहीं नीचे नीचे
Okay, so let's put it over here.
नीचे आजी नीचे
Then we are going to wait for 6 seconds. Okay, for that we will go back to the control, go to control block and say wait 6 seconds.
The below show.
Below show, yes. Why we are waiting 6 seconds? Because the other sprite is talking for 6 seconds, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
controls.
All right. Now let me go to Vihan's screen. Okay, Vihan, please share.
Yes, sir.
So nothing changes happen.
Wait, will come one by one. Okay, Vihan.
Sir,
Yes, Ara.
Krishav had a doubt.
Okay, Krishiv, please tell me.
Sir, can we go ahead with the coding?
Yes, if you want to code something else, you can go ahead and do it. Not a problem. Go ahead, please.
Sir,
Okay.
I removed that sprite and I put something else.
Okay, so it is your choice, like whatever you want to reduce it the size. Okay.
The coding for the wizard is done.
Yes, wizard is done. Now we are coding for the other sprite. Okay, Vihan, just click on other sprite. For this sprite, we are going to reduce the size. Okay. So very first thing, we are going to go to looks. There would be a block by name set size to 100%. Then after that, we are going to put show block.
Sir, should I go down?
Yeah, please scroll down. Show.
This I have to drag, sir.
Yes. Then after that, we have to put a wait block. You have to go to control and put a wait block and wait for 6 seconds. Okay. Now let me go to Arav. You want to share something?
Sir, please wait, I am doing my own code.
Okay, all right. Akshita, do you want to share or you have done the same thing?
Yes, sir, I can share. Can you see?
Yes, I can see. Okay, very good. All right. Anyone who has not done this, please let me know.
Sir, should I show you my...
So I took a wait block and should I type any number that I want to choose?
Now you have to wait for wizard to stop saying. Okay, so if you look at the wizard code, is it saying for 6 seconds or it is saying for 2 seconds? You have to check that.
2 seconds.
Only 2 seconds. Then you have to wait for 2 seconds for the other sprite.
Sir,
Okay, Rakshita.
Sir,
Yes,
So
Sagarika.
but the set
can I
size
share next?
Just give me 1 second. Rakshita, you want to say something? Or
No, sir.
okay,
So
then you can
I
stop
want
sharing.
to say.
Okay, let her first stop sharing and let me go one by one. Okay,
Sir, I finished my code.
very good. I'll come to you.
Can I
Okay,
share my screen now?
I'll come to you later. Okay, let others also catch up with you.
sir,
No, because it's a good code.
So
Okay, so next one is
sir.
I want to ask.
Ian. Ian, you have done something.
I want to ask something.
Let Ian also catch up. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, Sagarika.
can I share next?
Okay, after Ian you can share.
Sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Ian, show me.
Sir. Sir,
Yes, Ian.
my sprite is not shrinking, sir.
I will make it shrink later, right? Not, it will not, we have not coded for it.
Sir, my sprite starts shrinking now only.
Okay. Ian, what you are trying to do? Okay, very good. Set size to under show weights. Very nice. Okay. Now let me go to whose screen I should
Sir,
go.
my screen.
Yes, Sagarika, go ahead.
Once upon a time, very long ago, upon a time, not very long ago,
Okay, now let's code for it. Okay, we have to make sure the size of this particular girl reduces. Okay. Then in the looks, there would be something called a change size by. Just search for it. Change size by. In the
Change
looks.
size by.
Yeah. Okay. Do not attach it. Just put it somewhere down, and make it change size by -20. Make it -20.
Okay.
Then put a wait block of 0.5 second below this.
Wait for 0.5.
0.5 second. Then get this repeat block and put it over here.
Sir, can you hold for 1 minute?
Okay, sure. Now
Change
let's
size by-
wait.
So what is change size by -20, right?
Correct, -20.
Then
Okay. Then we have. Can you see her screen as such? What she has done?
yes, sir, but then it's
over. Once upon a time, once upon a time, not a very long.
Sir,
Yes, Sagarika.
I have added something to the wizard.
Okay. All right. I'll come to that. Okay, it's because others will get confused then. Okay, so you can add later on also. Now what we need to do, after the size is reduced, right? We have to hide it. So put a hide over here. Go to looks and put a hide. Okay, now let's try to understand what we are doing. We are saying 10 times, no, do not attach it right now. Wait, don't attach it. 10 times repeat this. What we are repeating, reduce size by -20. And then wait. And then again reduce -20. Then wait. Okay, and then hide at the very end.
Excuse me, sir. It's
Yes.
a very new way. I learned it from a video which I was doing,
Okay, very good, Angad.
but I have finished it.
Very nice.
And it's
Okay, let me go to Saurish's screen now. Okay, Saurish, can you share?
or can I share my screen next?
Okay, Angad, I'll come after Saurish to your screen.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
1 second, just loading.
I'll work on
so it's showing. Oops, our server is scratching its head. It's showing now.
Saurish, I'm waiting for you to share.
Sir, it's just loading.
It's loading.
So I can't load the scratch.
Set size to 100, show, wait second. Very good, Saurish, very nice. Very good.
So-
Okay, yes, Anant.
So I can't open my scratch.
But that is an internet problem, right? Can you share it with which Rakshita is doing? If you can just cross check. Okay. All right. So now let's go to Vihan.
Sir,
Yes, Saurish.
sir, what do I have to do next in this?
First, let's make sure everyone has done this. Okay, and then I will tell you what to do next. Okay, Vihan. Okay, set size to 100%. Okay, very good. Change size by -20. Very
So
good.
can I show you mine? I have done a new thing.
I'll come to you later. Otherwise, people will not understand what you have done, right? So let me just finish with others. Okay. Change signs by -20. Very good. Then we will have a repeat block. The repeat is in control. Yeah, repeat. Okay, very good. And then we will have a wait block also. Go to wait and put a wait after change. Okay, let's do a wait for 0.5 second. And then we will hide it. Okay, now let's hide it.
There's
So,
something
sir,
missing in your code.
Okay, let's hide that.
how, sir?
Hide would be again in looks. Go to looks again. Go to looks again. There would be hide block.
You have to put it here, sir.
Yes, very nice. Okay. Now just make sure this is connected over here. Okay. Let's connect them. Very good. Okay. Angad, you want to share your screen?
Sir, should I stop sharing?
Yes, Vihan, you are done. Okay. Okay, Angad, show me what you have done.
I also need to share my screen.
Okay, I'll come to you.
So, can you repeat what was happening? Because mine was not coming, now it came.
Okay. Just, Angad, you are doing something else. Okay, you're not doing what others are doing. Can I come to you later?
I'll make you a dog. Someone please help me.
Okay.
Into dog.
Angad, you have to stop sharing.
So, can I share now? Because I missed a lot of things.
Yeah, so let me first go to Dhruv. Okay, then I'll come to you. Angad, can you stop sharing, please? Okay, Dhruv, can you share?
So I can. So.
Okay, all right. All right. Anant, can you follow what he has done or not? So what he has done, he has set the size to 100%, then he's showing it, then he's waiting for 2 seconds. Why you're waiting for 2 seconds, Dhruv? Can you show me the code for wizard?
You had said, sir,
So,
both should be
yeah,
same.
because no, it should be so 2 plus 2 plus 2, right? So 6 seconds are there. So this, whenever this person has done speaking, it will take 6 seconds, right? 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 seconds. So if you
Yes,
go to the code for Ben, let's go for the code for Ben.
Yes, sir.
So you have to wait for 6 seconds. After he has said, now wait for 6 seconds, make it 6 seconds. After 6 seconds, we are going to reduce the size of Ben, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. Anant, you have seen the code now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let me go to Krish. Krish, back to you.
So should I stop?
Yes, please.
Wait for 6 seconds.
So you are able to see screen.
Yes. So what are you going to convert this man into?
A frog.
Okay, now then select a frog sprite now. We are now going to code for,
To make it all right.
Okay, Angad, once you have done all right, then you can share your screen. Okay. So now let's select frog. So if someone is going to convert it to frog, should now select frog. Okay. Now let's code for the frog. Okay. So now first go to looks block.
Wait for
And then very first block would be hide. Let's hide it.
6 plus
Hide. Then go to control. Go to control. Drag and drop wait. And say wait for 8 seconds. Okay, and then say show. Then go to looks again and say show. Okay, and then after this we will make this frog jump from one place to different place, correct? So go to motion, and can you do change Y? There would be change Y something. Okay, so we'll say change Y by 10, then wait for 0.5 second.
You're 10.
Yeah, make it 20. Let's make it 20. Okay, we will make this, and can you put this into a repeat block? Repeat 10 times. So no, not this one. Just change Y by 20.
Sir, we have to wait for 8 seconds, right?
Yes, 8 seconds. Then change Y by 20. After that, put a wait block. Wait for 0.5 second. Yes, inside that, wait for 0.5 second, and then do change Y by minus 20. 0.5 second, and then do change Y by minus 20. So
Sir, I have only change X. There is no change Y.
Everyone should have change Y. Now everyone should see what Krish is doing and then do the same thing on your machine. Okay, and I'll wait.
Sir, 2 minutes, huh?
Okay.
I'm just sharing.
2 minutes.
But do not share first. Make sure that you have done the same thing what Krish has done. Krish, do one more thing. Can you make sure this frog, right? Can you drag and drop over here and under the legs? Okay, very good. All right. Because as soon as this person is going to disappear, the frog should appear over there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Vihan, you are able to do it. Ian, you are able to do it.
Sir,
Yes, Vihan.
I've changed the color, sir.
You have changed the
Can I
color.
put a background?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we will do it later. One by one, we'll do it.
By 20.
Can I show it, sir?
But Vihan, have you used the same blocks which Krish is showing or not? First, make sure you're using the same blocks. Can you see the screen of Krish?
Yes, sir.
Okay, first, let's make sure you use the same blocks. Ian, you have done that. Soresh?
Sir, I have do some of them.
Okay, let's complete the others also.
So 1 minute, I didn't finish.
Okay.
By 20, wait, 0.56.
Sagirika, you are done?
Sir, I'm done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rakshita is done. Okay, very good. Then,
We need to put a green flag on top.
before green flag, let me go
Sir,
to Arav's screen. Show me, Arav, what you have done.
sir,
Okay, let's.
sir,
Just 1 second, Vihan. I will come to you.
can you
Sir, I am just testing my work.
Okay, I'll come to you then later, Arav. Okay, let me go to Vihan. Yes, Vihan.
can I share my screen?
Yes, Vihan. Oh, very nice. You have done something extra also. Okay, so now You want to convert this into a ball.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so, but you are not able to see what Krish was doing. The same blocks you have to use, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so after this, go to control,
Yes.
make wait 8 seconds.
How much, sir?
8.
Huh?
And then, okay, then say show, and then say show. Go to looks again. There would be a block by name show.
Sir, I can't find it.
Yes, very good. There's a show block. Then you have to make this ball jump. Okay. So just go and attach that show.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then there would be a motion. Go to motion. Say change Y by 10. Change Y by 10.
Sir, I can't see it.
There is, right? Change Y. Change Y is there in the motion. Just find it out.
Change Y or set Y, sir?
Change Y. Okay, very good.
Sir,
Yes.
can I show mine?
Yes, after this. Okay, then put a weight of, go to control again, put a weight of 0.5 second. Okay,
Wait 8 seconds.
Sir, I'm done with my code.
okay, I'll come to you, Ara. Wait 0.5 second.
8.5, sir.
No, only 0.5.
I did it, sir.
0.5 or how much it is?
3.
Okay, 0.5. Okay, please attach it over there
Yes, sir.
and then do change Y by -10. Go to motion. Go to motion again. Change Y by -10.
Sir, my code is very good.
Sir, do I have to write -10?
Yes, you have to do -10. Very nice. Now just attach it over there. Okay. Sagarika, you are next. So, Sagarika. Thank you, Vihan. Let Sagarika show.
Sir,
Please, can I share?
my witch is not hiding.
Which is not hiding. Let her share it first, Sagarika. She has not done that.
Sir, after Sagrika, can I share my screen?
Just wait 1 second. Yes, Sagarika. Tell me.
Sir, my witch is not hiding.
Because you have to change the wait for 90 seconds you are given, right?
Yeah.
90 seconds for what?
Oh. So, how much should I make it?
So you have to calculate, right? So you have to see like how long is that wizard guy going to speak? If you go to the wizard code, how long he is going to speak? He's going to speak for just 6 seconds, right? 2
Yeah.
plus 2 plus 2, 6 seconds. So you have to wait for 6 seconds. When you go to your wizard for witch, 6 seconds, and then you're going to hide. But why you are hiding? If you're going to hide, then how will the size be reduced over here? It's a wrong programming, right?
Sir?
This height should be at the end as such. You have to reduce the size and then you have to hide that particular thing.
Okay. So there's something in front of my screen. Okay.
Okay. Okay, Dhruv, your chance.
Yes, sir. Just look at my entire this thing.
But entire, I will look at it once everyone is done, right? Okay.
Sir? Okay.
Okay, Dhruv, show me.
Sir?
Yes, sir.
Sir? Sir?
Just 1 second, okay, Dhruv.
Sir, can you see?
Yes, you have done height. Wait for 8 seconds. Change y by 10. So you want this dog to jump up and down, right? So that means y should change by 10. Y will go up. Then you will wait for 0.5 second. Let's wait for 0.5 second.
Oh, sir, I go to control and then take.
Wait.
sir.
Yes. Make it 0.5 second. And then do change y by -10.
Sir, point change y by.
-10. No, not over here. You will have one more block after. Once the dog has jumped up, it has to come down also, right? So we'll say
Yes,
change
sir.
y by -10.
Change y by 10. Change.
Okay. So now let me go to Anant's screen. Yes, Anant.
Sir, 1 second, sir. If you, I can just stop sharing my screen.
Okay.
Sir?
Yes.
Can I leave?
You are done?
Is there more, sir?
Yes, you have to save it and you have to show me how it is working also, right? Or you have to go somewhere.
No, sir.
1 minute, I'm sharing.
Very good. Show me the code for the dog. Hide, wait for 8 seconds, repeat.
Sir, I'm almost done, but I have to test it.
Okay, please test Angar. Okay, all right. Now let me go to RF screen.
Sir, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, show me please.
1 minute.
And everyone else should place a green flag on the top of the sprite, okay? Everyone else
Sir,
should
can
place
you
a green.
please show the presentation because should I put a repeat, sir, the repeat 10. That
Okay, so
repeat.
let me see what.
Done.
Okay, Krivish, please go ahead. My name is Midas. I will make you a dog. Very good. Ha ha ha. Someone please tell. Very nice. He is going to change me into dog. Very good.
Smooth, but I
Very
forgot
good.
the name.
Very good. Can you save this? Now let's save this.
Sir,
And
for the dog, but it didn't.
I turned
you
that
have to.
into a wizard frog.
Okay, Angad, let me finish. Okay, very good. Now, Krish, can you share it?
Sir, can I share?
Okay, Jan, you share first. Okay, very good, Jan. Height, show, okay. Then you have to do change y by 10, okay. Then do a wait of 0.5 second. Wait, 0.5 second. And then do a change y by -10. Not set y, change y. It's a wrong. Change y. This one. Not set y, change y. Good. Okay, now let me go to Krish's screen. Okay, Krish, please go. Krish, can you share?
Yes, sir, I'm just showing. Are you able to see?
Yes. So now make sure you put green flag on top of every sprite. Let's put green flag on top of every sprite.
Excuse me, sir. I finished it all.
Okay, Angad, I'll come to your screen also. Go to events. Go to events.
And there's some extra blocks of sound.
Okay, Angad, go to events. Yeah, very good. You have put green flag on everyone, right? Now let's go full screen. Okay. Yes, please start. My name is Harry Potter. Okay.
Sir, that's
Oh, very nice, very nice, very nice. Okay. Now let's just go back to the code again. Go back to the code again. Very good. Let's go back to the code and let's select a different backdrop. Let's do you know how to go back to the code? Okay, very good. Change the backdrop and search for let's scroll down. Search just for theater over here. Theater. THEA. Over here, just type TH. Yeah, select this one. Yeah, let's select this one.
Sir, it was very hard to make it.
Did you select? Very nice. It looks much better. Let's go full screen and show me. Small. No, it's not small. You have to just change. Yeah. Okay, you have to change. Okay, this looks. You just have to change the size of the sprite later on. Okay. It looks much better. Oh, very good. Okay. All right. Okay. Who is going to share next? You can save your work. Okay.
Sir, can I share?
You have changed the color also, frog. Very good.
Sir, can I share?
So yeah, one by one you can share, save your work, and then we will talk again tomorrow. Okay, once you have seen it. Okay.
Sir, can I share?
Yes, please go ahead. Krish, bye to you, and share your work. We'll talk again tomorrow. Okay. Let's show me, Sagari.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Sir, this is what happens to my witch.
But then you have to cross check, right? Why this is happening? Show me your witch. You say wait,
Sir?
then show. Wait for 6 seconds, repeat, and then hide. Okay.
Sir?
Yes.
You can
leave, sir?
Bye. I'm doing a good.
Avian, you have to show me what you have done. You have not shown me so far.
I don't know how to turn it to a bear.
But bear, you need not turn it, right? You can turn it to
I don't know how to turn it into a ball.
That I will tell you, but stay back, okay?
Yes, sir.
What is the size that you're showing over here? Make size as 100 first.
I made it 80.
Okay, 80, all right. And wait for repeat.
So
Okay,
at
now-
the first, I should say that change size by 80.
No, so first you will say set size to 100% when the sprite is clicked. Now let's show me how it looks like.
Yeah.
Sir, the last is mine.
Okay,
I'm
and
got it working.
No, sir, mine is left.
Sir,
Mine is left.
all the blocks are good.
I think there is somewhere it is stuck as of now. Go back to your code again.
Sir, can I share my screen?
So can I share next?
Okay. Sagarika, I'll come to you later. Okay, let me check for other. Rakshita, yes, please share.
Yes, sir. Can you see, sir?
Yes, I can see. Okay, show me.
Okay, I'll just go
Can
full
you,
screen.
yeah, if you can go to full screen. My name is Luke. I'm going to convert you in a unicorn. Ha ha ha. No, help me someone. Very good. Very nice. Very good. Very nice. Excellent. Can you make sure this unicorn appears very first time on the right hand side?
Yes, sir, I'll do that.
Okay. So meanwhile, then you can save it also. Okay. But very nice.
Sir,
Okay.
sir,
Who is next?
I told you that I've created more things.
Yeah,
also.
but I'll see it today. Okay. Let me just finish with others.
Sir,
Okay.
can I show?
Sir,
Okay.
Okay. Let Ian show it. Ian, can you show?
Sir, can I share my screen?
Ian is sharing.
Next, can I share, sir?
Let Ian share it. Okay, Ian, show me how it looks like. My name is Janal. I'll make you a rabbit. Ha ha ha. Oh, very nice. Okay, very good. Right. Thank you, Ian. So you know how to save the work?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very nice job. Okay, I'll talk to you tomorrow then. Okay. Bye, Ian.
sir, I'm going to save mine.
Okay, now who is left? Vihan.
Ma'am,
Vihan, show me.
Sir, I'm also left.
Yes, Angad, you are there.
And me.
Let Vihan do it.
But mine hasn't been shared till now.
Angad, I'll come to you. Vihan, you are sharing?
Yes, sir. Oh, no, sir.
The question is asking, is the class over?
Yes, if you have saved your work, the class is over. Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you again for joining. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Vihan, you have to put a green flag on top of everything, right? So you know where the green flag is?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Gajana, gajana, jana,
Very good. Okay. Very nice. Now just go full screen and play it.
Sir,
Okay. Okay, just show me how it looks like.
Sir, the ball disappears, sir.
That's okay, right? Ball will appear only after this boy has reduced the size, correct?
excuse me, sir.
Can you can you go full screen first? Let's go full screen and see.
Everyone, I have to tell you something. Sir lives in my house.
Okay, can you click on the green button again? The green thing again. Yeah, let's play it again. Okay, very good. Okay, oh, very nice. It's going down and the ball appears. Okay. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now save
Should
your
I save
work
my
and
work?
I'll come again. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Bye.
Bye. I'll talk to you tomorrow. But save your work, okay?
Sir, my
Okay, Rakshita, please go ahead.
yes, sir.
Sir,
Actually, I kind of remade the thing we did last class also, so that is also.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Yeah.
bye.
Sir, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see it. Okay, very good. Very nice. So all the raindrops are coming down, right? Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Very good.
Sir, and another one also.
Okay.
Actually, two more.
And from where did you thought about this?
Just like that, it was raining the other day, so I thought I'll make it.
Okay, very good. Oh, we are changing the backdrop. Very good. Okay, very nice. And you're also changing the costumes.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Sir, and one more is there.
Uh-huh. Oh, very nice. So this is an actual conversation you are having. Very good.
Yes.
So you like dogs?
Yeah, I actually adore puppies.
Okay. All right. But very nice. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
I'll talk to you again.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Hello,
I'll
Dhruv.
exit.
Yes.
I'm
Thank
left.
you.
I'm left.
Yeah. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. So I
Okay.
still need to do the puppy. So
Puppy, you have to do it. Okay. Hide. Okay. So we are going to hide it first. Then we are going to wait for 8 seconds. Go to control. In the control, you will have wait. Wait for 8 seconds. Then you will have, okay, let's do wait. Then we'll have show. In the looks, we will have show in the looks. Okay, very good. And then we want puppy to jump. Okay, so we'll say go to motion. Go to motion.
yes, sir.
Say change Y by 20. Change Y by 20. Then wait for 0.5 seconds. Then do change Y by minus 20.
Just a second, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
can you share my screen next?
Is Ian, you also left?
So again, I
Okay.
have to put another one,
Motion.
sir.
Yeah, motion and do change Y by minus 20.
But now they turn to icons.
Just click over there minus 20.
Do not use small answer.
Just a second, sir.
Okay.
Sir, my puppy is gone.
No problem. He will come back. Just put minus 20 over there. Change Y by minus 20.
Oh, there he is.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. When will I share my screen?
After this, Anga.
It's pretty short, my screen. It will take 1 second for
What
mine.
happened? When you click minus, it is removing or what?
Sir, I'm clicking the backspace by mistake.
Okay. Okay. Now put green flag on top of every sprite. Go to events. Go to the first sprite and put a green flag. And put for the Ben also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now go full screen and play it. Just go full screen and put on the green. Okay, my name is Simon the Great. I'll make you a dog. Ha ha ha. Okay, very nice. Very good. Okay, do you know how to save your work?
Yes, sir.
Show me.
Sir, I go on to file.
Yeah, save to your computer. Yeah, very nice. Okay, so I'll talk to you again. Okay,
Now it's my
Yes,
bye.
I'll just stop my.
Sure, bye.
Bye, sir.
Ian, bye. Ian, do you want to share? Ian, can you hear me?
Sir, I also have to share because mine
Okay,
isn't
Angad,
done.
go ahead. Okay, share it, Angad.
Okay, I'm starting with share screen. Share screen. Sir, this is
Okay,
how it
Angad.
goes. My name is Many. I am your bad and the winners of the almighty world and of Neverland.
Wow, Angad. How you made it?
I did the act. It was, sir, there was a little.
Okay, so now let me see.
That other one, so now it turned to act.
Okay, very good.
My name is Mr. Many. I am your bad and the wizard.
Okay, now let me see what Ian has done. Okay, Angad, if you can stop sharing.
My name is Mr. Many. I am your bad and the wizard of the mighty world and of Neverland.
Hello, Ian. Ian, can you share your screen and show me what you have done?
So now can I leave?
Yes, Angad, thank you. I'll talk to you later. Okay, very good, Ian. My name is Janal. Very good. Very good. Very nice. Now let's do one thing. Let's go back to the code again, Ian. Let's go back to the code. Okay. And select this sprite, second sprite, Ari. Let's select this one. Okay, go to costume. Go to costumes. Over here. Okay, so Ari is facing this side. It should face towards the magician, correct? The face as such.
Yes,
So we have to change over here. So just select this one and click over here. Just click over here. No, just click. Try to select the entire thing. Or do one thing. Can you? Yeah. Just try to drag and drop. No, sorry. Click cancel. Okay. Just with your mouse, just try to drag and drop and try to make a rectangle over here. Yes, very good. Okay. Now click over here, flip horizontal. Very nice. Okay. Now let's go and play it. Go back to your code and play it again. Now let's play it again. Okay. Now she is facing towards the magician. Okay. Very good. Now the same thing we have to do with the rabbit also. So rabbit should also face towards the magician. So go back. Okay, select the hair. Go to costume. Okay, just click over here, flip horizontal. Okay. Now do you know how to save your work?
Sir, I have a query in saving the work. When we save file and we go to save to your computer, so it's coming in the downloaded files.
Correct.
But then it is not sure of the format. So it's asking, if we try to open that, it asks in which format. So what should which format should we save?
Can you just show me as of now again? Save to your computer. Let's save to your computer.
Okay, one.
Okay, now it got saved on your machine, right?
Yes.
Now, if you go to File, load again, load from your computer. Let's go back to File over here again.
So this is the file which is saved.
Yes, so let's go to File over here again.
Okay.
Then say, load from your computer.
Okay.
Which place it got saved? Do you know, like, where it got saved?
In the downloads only, so it should be here.
Okay, so let's select any one of these projects.
Okay.
Must be the number 10, I believe. Okay. Hit cancel for the timing. Let's hit cancel. Can you open a new window for this one? For the sprite. Let's just open a new window.
It's a new window for the sprite.
For the browser itself, yes. So over here, let's go to the Sprite website. Very good. Okay. So let's go to that particular tab, the one which you just opened. Just click over here on this tab again. On this tab.
This is only open. Shall we do a new one?
Yeah, let's do a new one. Or do a Google search for. Let's do a Google search. That would be better. Probably it's taking from the cache again. Okay, it's creating project. Okay, now do a file open. Load from your computer. And search for any one of those programs that was saved.
Okay, this way we can open it.
Yes, yeah. So let's open. Okay, so this is how it got opened. Okay, so he can close this one. Sorry, please come again.
Every time we have to open it this way. We have to go to the. Okay, from here we can open.
Yes, so whatever work he has saved, next time he can come and then he can make changes now, right? So probably if he wants to make this rabbit turn yellow color, green color, he can do it. Okay. So I found him to be very receptive. He picks up very fast.
Okay.
He's 7 years, right?
Yes, he's 7 years.
Okay. He's my son. He's 6 years. Okay. Say hello.
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 Okay. Okay. All right. Then thank you again, Jan. I'll talk to you tomorrow then. Okay.
You have
Bye.
to press send.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Press send.
Send.